Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will look at the best 3D printer for gun frames. The output of each 3D printer varies depending on the user's needs and budget. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's essential to choose the right one. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the 5 best 3D printers for gun frames. This 3D printer can be used anywhere from hot to cold temperatures. All the below 3D printer has specific features that make them stand out in the competition. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is FLSUN V400 Delta 3D printer. Introducing the ultimate 3D printer for gun frames, the FLSUN V400 Delta. Are you ready to dive into rapid printing and large-scale creations? With incredible features and lightning-fast performance, this machine beast will blow your mind. Let's talk speed. With a printing speed of a whopping 400 mm per second and an acceleration rate 8000 mm/s superscript 2, this bad boy is 400% faster than the industry standard. Its generous print size of 10.2 inches L x 10.2 inches W x 13 inches H 260 by 260 by 330 mm opens up a world of possibilities for creating gun frames with ease. The detachable PEI Spring Steel Platform ensures a solid first-layer adhesion while making model removal a breeze. Heat the hotbed to 110 degrees Celsius, and you'll be able to print various materials such as PLA, PETG, wood, ABS, PC, and TPU, all thanks to the printer's versatile settings. Equipped with a direct extruder, the FLSUN V400 boasts an ultralight design with a powerful extrusion force of 70 N. Its bimetal throat structure allows for high-temperature printing up to 300 degrees Celsius, enabling you to explore various materials and possibilities. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box.